Okay guys, one more time. Got the truck ready, the trailer. So we're gonna go ahead and pick up the second car. Out guys, we're at COPART. Look at that car up there. Okay guys, so I just got out of COPART in San Jose. As you can see, I got the car behind me. So it's gonna be another hour, 2 hours to get back home, so I can show you guys the full car. It is a Buick, so see you guys in a bit. I'm gonna show you guys the car now that I'm home. I just got off work. You see the cars right there. Don't mind the Jeep, just focus on the red car. Okay, so this is a car. You can see it's a 2012 BUICK lacrosse. It is a driver. It's got 89,256 miles. And this is the damage. Of course, I'm gonna be showing you more spots where there's some damage, but the main damage is this. Some dents right here, dings, and this is the main damage. As you can see, this is where it took the hit above the actual bumper reinforcement, so that's intact. But this is you see this is damage causing this damage too. This side got pulled in from the impact. The trunk's in okay conditions. This thing's the same thing that's pushing it up. So continuing on this side, some dings. As you can see, dings. There's more dings right there. There's a dent right there if you guys can see it, and one scratch somewhere around here, and a small dent right there too. That's it on this side. Besides that scratch, the front bumper, of course, a big old scrape. There's a hole right there. The bottom plastic's ripped. There's some more scrapes right here, and that's pretty much it. Well, no, there's still more. It's a ding right there, another ding right there, there. But overall, it's a nice car. It came with one key only. Supposedly this is for the remote start, but I don't know why it's not working. Maybe one of the sensors is messed up or something, but let's check it out. This thing's scratched, but besides that, dirty. I'm pretty sure all that grease and stuff is from the COPART guys driving it and stuff like that. Somebody putting their foot up there, probably having lunch in here. But no rips on the seats. There's no rips at all. Passenger side's okay. The whole dash, everything right here looks pretty cool. Let me start it up for you guys. So there it is. It does have a check engine light. Like I said, it does have a check engine light. Change engine oil soon. That's pretty much it. The car, the engine sounds healthy. Backup camera. There it is. The back seats are kind of dirty, but they're in great condition. So this is the next project, guys. This is one of the projects. Let me show you guys under the hood. So there it is. It's pretty much okay, pretty clean, not that bad. I mean, it is 89,000 miles, although it's not that much. I mean, it is high, but I mean, 89,000 miles, perfectly fine. So let me know what you guys think about it. Gonna need some tires, at least the front ones. Both front ones are gonna be needed. The back ones are okay. And most of the parts are in the back. Kind of like the Kia. I mean, everything's in there. This car was from Progressive, so Progressive usually does that. I don't know why, but makes it a lot easier for everybody. Well, at least for us. That's gonna rebuild them. It's also marking this. I don't know why they marked this. Maybe this thing's off place or pushed in a bit. It doesn't make no noise. No, the muffler ain't making no noise. This thing's bent a little bit too. I could easily pop this thing out, no problem. It does have what's it called? Those rear sensors for when you're backing up that are missing. I have the rear view camera that works perfect, and the trunk actually latches pretty good, so this thing won't need to be moved at all. It's just this corner. Let me show you guys. There it is. See? Closes perfectly besides this. So with this, I don't think I need to do that much. I don't think this is the problem. I think this is the problem. So as soon as I push this thing out, I'm pretty sure this thing's gonna go. I mean, as soon as I push that thing out, this will go down, and hopefully that pops out too. But we'll see. It does have the flex fuel 85 option. The rear seats are pretty cool. I mean, I'm pretty sure nobody were riding was I'm pretty sure nobody was using the back seats besides this is where the bumper was. Somebody just forced the bumper in here, so that's where the one corner of the bumper was hitting. All this stuff's the same from the bumper and all the crap that was inside, but I mean, it is a nice looking car. It is a nice looking car. The car does have navigation system, like I said, rear view camera also. It's got heated seats right here, right there. I'm not sure if they're heated seats only or do they get cold also, but I need to find that out. What else? That's pretty much it. Traction control. I mean, it is a nice little car. It does have Bluetooth, which you control through here, with your phone, I mean. And well, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be finding more stuff about it as we go, but that's pretty much it. So this is the car, guys. Let me know what you guys think so far. I will be ordering, like I said, some parts. So it is a 2012 Buick LaCrosse, 89,000 miles. It's got the 3.6 liter engine. Overall, it's a nice little car. Let me know if you guys had a chance to drive one of these, or maybe you own one of these. Let me know if they, these newer 3.0, 3.6 liter engines are any good. Transmissions, I don't know. It is General Motors, so most likely it's gonna be the same thing as the Malibu and stuff like that. So but either way, stay tuned. I will be working on both cars, this one and that white one. So if you haven't seen this video, make sure you go up here and check it out. When I went to pick it up, when I went to COPART to pick it up. But either way, that's it for the video, guys. Let me know what you guys think. Like always, I'll read the comments, most of the comments, and I'll try to get back to most of you guys, if not all. But that's gonna be it for the video. I hope you like the new project. Subscribe if you haven't. Give it a thumbs up, thumbs down. Leave a comment, share, like, and see you guys in the next one.